They test every single fish for mercury. I'm wondering, though, if they test the fish for mercury in retrograde. Messes me up real good. Hey guys, I'm Megan Mitchell, and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen, and I'm about to start Whole30. I'm nervous, I'm excited. I cook at home, I'm a chef, I have a lot of ingredients in my pantry, but when I read the labels, I found out not a lot of them are Whole30 compliant. So these are some of my Thrive Market pantry staples that are Whole30 compliant. You can find them at thrivemarket.com. They've thought of it all. They have a Whole30 tab. You can click on it, and I'm going to show you how to make a pantry tuna salad using canned tuna and this avocado mayo. Also, what's Thrive Market? It's an online market that sells everything in front of me. Everything from sauces and oils to cleaning supplies, wine, meat, seafood. It's a one-stop shop. I want to go to one place and I want to buy it all. And also, you can only find these Thrive Market products on thrivemarket.com. Let's start with the extra virgin olive oil. I'm a big fan of Thrive Market's organic extra virgin olive oil. This is for finishing, dressings, sauces, a drizzle over your tomatoes or your veggies at the end or your salad. And then also I have avocado oil. These are both not processed, which is really nice. A bit of a different flavor. This is very fruity. It can be a little bitter, but fruity. This is more neutral. So if you're looking for something that's not going to add much flavor to your dish and high heat, you'll want to go with the avocado oil. My favorite thing on Whole30, which I use in a lot of dishes, is coconut aminos. You can't have gluten or soy, so this is a really great alternative to add that umami flavor. And then Thrive Market also makes a lot of Whole30 compliant pasta sauces to put over zoodles or spaghetti squash. This Yai's Thai curry sauce is great when I don't want to think about cooking. I cook all day long on set, and I test recipes constantly, and sometimes I don't want to think about cooking. So this is great just to pour into a pot with some chicken, and it's a one-pan meal. This is going to save me during my Whole30. Help me. Avocado mayo. I'm going to use this today in my tuna salad. I'm going to make a tuna salad for you, a Whole30 tuna salad. This is great mayo. You have to be careful. Sometimes they add sugar to mayo, so read the labels. This one, Whole30. Tessemae's, another great Whole30 compliant brand. Ketchup. My husband loves ketchup, and I love wing sauce. And this is Whole30. I pour it into a pot with some chicken. This is really great. Nut pods. This is an almond coconut creamer. No sugar. Packing snacks on the go, making sure you have something to eat is very important on Whole30. I don't want to go hungry. I don't want to be racing around with nothing to eat and super bummed and then starving. So turkey sticks by Thrive Market. No weird binders, no weird things in it. I can literally pronounce everything in it. There's no sugar. I can pop these turkey sticks in my bag on the go when I'm hungry, and they're super portable. They're individually wrapped. They're great. You can be living off almonds. You can do salted almonds. I think you can do cashews. You can do all nuts except for peanuts. Correcto mundo? I'm starting off. I still need to ask questions. I'm also going to be Googling stuff a lot. Is this Whole30 compliant? We'll get through this together. We'll figure it out. I'm here for you. Another great Whole30 staple, almond butter. This one's creamy. They also have crunchy. Literally just almonds in here. Yup. Nothing else. No sweetener, nothing weird, just almonds. Great boost of protein. Canned tuna. Great to keep in your pantry when you need something quick, a quick lunch, a quick dinner, on the go. These are great to have on hand. Thrive Market organic ghee. Their ghee is one of my favorite ghees. This one's unsalted, but they have salted ones. You can scramble eggs in it. You could add it to veggies. You can't have butter on Whole30 because of the dairy, but you can have ghee. And also, this is going to get me through my morning coffee. I can't drink coffee black. I'm going to use these nut pods when I can, but I like to make buttered coffee. And I add this and some coconut oil and collagen, and I make my buttered coffee. So this is going to be, you're going to help me out a lot through Whole30. Let's get down to business. Whole30 compliant tuna salad, and it's all pantry ingredients. Don't look at that. What goes in it is all pantry ingredients. I have 2 cans of this Safe Catch wild tuna. I drained them and I put them in a bowl. I want to break up the tuna a smidge bit. Just a little bit with my fork. That honestly is some of my best work. Culinary school right here, folks. Knife skills what? What about your fork skills? I'm adding Primal Kitchen Green Goddess dressing. It's a dressing and a marinade. It's made with avocado oil. It has a lot of good flavors, spices, seasonings. Give it a little shake. I need a couple tablespoons of this. And this is Whole30 compliant, y'alls. Stir this up. You could eat it just like this if you don't want to add mayo. But I thought it needed a little creaminess. So I'm using Primal Kitchen again, their avocado mayo. Just a scoop or two, tablespoon or two. Freshly cracked black pepper. I don't need to add any salt because this already has the salt in it. I have Thrive Market Kalamata olives. These are pitted and halved for me. Did you do this for me? Yeah. Oh, thanks. They usually come in liquid and they're not halved so beautifully, but I'm in a test kitchen and I asked for these things. And if they don't happen, you know what I mean? That's right. So I need about 1/4 of a cup. If you don't like olives, you could add capers. You could add green olives. Just make sure they're Whole30 compliant. Mix that up, and that's it. That's how easy it is to make this pantry tuna salad. Under, 3 minutes, you have lunch ready to go. If you want to leave the pantry and go to your fridge and you have these on hand, great. But if you don't, you do not need to add these. You could add chopped green onions. You could add chopped dill. I have some parsley. I'm going to add a little bit, but this is not necessary. You could add lemon juice as well. I have this cute little setup since I'm doing Whole30. Maybe I would have eaten this on a sandwich. Not this month. Cucumber slices, baby red bell peppers that I had, and then some Bibb lettuce. You could do this on a salad. You could put it in lettuce cups, however you want to eat it. You want those veggies. That's it. That's my pantry tuna salad. I'm going to make a little cup, show you how I like to do it. And this is obviously more than one serving, but when I make tuna salad, I want to make it for a couple days. So I'll make this, I'll have it in my fridge. I know I have lunch or snacks or dinner for a couple days and I don't have to think about it. Let me give this a try. I'm going to have parsley up in my grill, but that's okay. But it's delicious. It's light, it's creamy. I like the tang and the salty bite from the olives. Like I said, this came together in under 3 minutes. It's going to be one of my go-to Whole30 dishes that's going to get me through this month, and I hope it gets you through the month. Let me know if you make it. Please like, subscribe, comment. You can find all the products that I used at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. Happy Whole30. We're going to do this together. No paparazzi. I don't want to talk with food in my mouth. That's my dad's biggest pet peeve. He would watch cooking shows and he's like, can't she finish eating before she talks?